Wales has ambitious plans to become a leader in green technology. Wind turbines and other facilities such as this biomass plant near Port Talbot are part of those plans, but a new report says the green economy cannot grow here without direct intervention from the Welsh Government. In the same way as this plant uses sustainable forests to turn wood into power, the Enterprise and Learning Committee inquiry found a need for direction and investment to fuel sustainable industries, turning a marginal sector of the Welsh economy into a major one. There are, however, stumbling blocks.
The problem is, firstly, we have a different starting point from other regions. We are more energy intense and more carbon intense than virtually any other part of the UK. So we have further to go in terms of our industry, and obviously the way we do business as people, the way we travel to work, travel to school, is more car dependent than other parts of the UK, and thus we have bigger problems socially as well as economically in moving towards this low carbon economy in society. You cannot continue supporting, for example, large carbon intensive manufacturers without encouraging, forcing them through your actions to become lower carbon. So that involves costs. You cannot move towards a low carbon economy without encouraging and forcing people out of their cars, for example in city centres. Until we wrestle with that in Wales, we won't move any faster than any other part of the UK, and that means we'll continue to lag behind.
Eco2 is the brains behind this biomass plant, which burns wood to generate electricity and uses either sustainable sources where trees are replanted or timber which is of no use in the commercial market. Since coming online in 2008, the plant generates 13 megawatts of electricity for the national grid, or enough to power around 30,000 homes. To maintain its green credentials, the plant must meet strict emissions targets.
Hello, my name's Darren Williams and I'm Commercial Director of Eco2. Eco2 is a dedicated renewable energy development business. We employ 25 people and we're based in Cardiff. Well, first of all, from an advantage point of view, Wales does have a very positive renewable strategy, and the Welsh Assembly Government has set very bold targets for the deployment of renewables. The key disadvantage is a disadvantage from a UK point of view, I guess, which is that the planning system is incredibly uncertain, and that uncertainty unfortunately wastes a lot of money, and it does make some developers more reluctant to actually try and put projects in Wales.
The company is also researching marine renewable technology and is sure there is a bright green future for Wales if the environment for development is improved, something which is reflected in the Enterprise and Learning Committee report.
Well, our inquiry confirmed that there is potential for employment development in the green economy, but that it's vital that the Welsh Assembly Government invests further in the development of the skills base to realise that potential. For example, in marine engineering, there's great potential there, but it would take almost a generation to develop all the necessary skills among the workforce to develop and to tap into that potential. It's also vital that the government stimulates the market and can create demand in this green economy, and really it does need political leadership, and that leadership needs to remain focused on the green economy for us to tap its potential.
The full report on generating jobs in the green economy is available to view and download from our website www.assemblywales.org.